Now we're going to be going over our mid-wall paneling product. Now this is in a transit extended body, and it covers the area between the upper wall rail on our Roost fans mounting system and the mid-wall rail that's located right here. It includes options for inset panels that increase width of side-to-side sleeping. Then we'll be offering the window cutouts and trim rings available for these inset panels also. This covering is available in gray heather and several other custom fabrics, but also finish this out of bamboo. Same thing with the inset panels. Those can be finished in bamboo, which is the most common option. Another option is fabric as well. We do not wrap this section of the window. It is an optional add-on for in-shop only installations, but as a standard DIY product, these are the covers that you're receiving. Also, over on the driver's side here, you'll notice we do not remove this factory wire chase. A big part of it is for Ford warranty purposes, and also it's a great opportunity to run wiring back and forth from the front of the van to the back of the van and vice versa.